In this video, we're going to be talking about how to boost your immune system naturally. In case you weren't aware, there is an illness going around right now. So we want to do everything that we can to make sure that we have our immune systems in order, especially as states open back up, businesses open back up. Alabama's opening back up Friday, which would be yesterday if you're watching this video at the time of release. And then there's several other states that are either already open back up or are opening back up. So we want to make sure that we have our immune systems in tip-top shape. Now, a lot of companies out there are using this opportunity to be a little bit scummy and sell some supplements that promise to boost your immune system and send it skyrocketing, and that's simply not the case. There's not a supplement out there that's going to be a silver bullet for you, that's going to prevent you from getting sick. And best case scenario, you take one of these supplements, you're going to be wasting your money for the most part, or worst case scenario, it's going to lead you to believe that you do have this improved immune system and you're not going to be as careful and you might end up getting sick because of it. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to talk about all the things that you can do to make sure that your immune system is in as good of a place as possible when you go back out in public. Now, I also talked about this topic on the blogcast a couple weeks ago, but with states opening back up, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to go ahead and talk about it here with you guys as well. But before we get into the video, hi, my name is Ryan Treadaway, founder of TreadawayTraining.com, where we help busy professionals get more results in less time through online training. If you want more information on body transforming training and nutrition topics every Saturday, consider subscribing. Getting straight into the list, the first thing that you can do to improve your immune system is to get regular exercise. Studies looking at moderate levels of exercise have continuously shown that getting in exercise improves immune function. The next thing that you can do to improve your immune function is to get enough sleep, which is particularly relevant in this day and age. People are sleeping less than they ever have. So studies that have looked at sleep deprivation have shown that people who get less than 6 hours of sleep are 4.2 times more likely to get the common cold. And we can reasonably assume that this would extend to other illnesses as well. The next thing that you can do to improve your immune function is to find ways to remove stress from your life. Stress suppresses your immune function, so we want to look at things that we can do to reduce stress levels. So do things like sleep more, exercise more, take up a hobby, whether that be, woodworking, electronics. You could go outside and play with your dog, play frisbee, take your dog for a walk, play with your kids, play some board games, whatever it is that just helps you to have peace of mind. You can meditate, you can pray, whatever it is that just helps you to get rid of some of that stress. The next thing that you can do to boost your immune system is to limit your alcohol intake, which is kind of ironic because I saw a statistic that alcohol sales have gone up dramatically since the quarantine started. I want to say it was something like 25% that alcohol sales have increased, which is the exact opposite of what you want to do if you want to protect your immune system. So if you want to keep your immune system in tip-top shape, men, you should limit your alcohol intake to no more than 20 grams of alcohol per day, which would be about 2 beers or 2 glasses of wine. And for women, you should limit your alcohol intake to no more than 10 grams of alcohol per day, which would be about 1 beer or 1 glass of wine. Next up for boosting your immune system would be to make sure that you're getting plenty of zinc. Zinc deficiencies can lead to suppressing your immune system, so you want to make sure that you're not zinc deficient. Some foods that are high in zinc would be red meat, shellfish, nuts, seeds, eggs, dairy. Make sure that you're getting plenty of zinc. And the last tip, which is one that we're all familiar with, is to get plenty of vitamin C. There are several foods that are high in vitamin C. My personal favorite, which actually has more vitamin C than an orange, is kiwis. Other foods that are high in vitamin C include yellow pepper, chili peppers, mustard greens, guavas, rose hips, thyme, parsley, kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and of course, oranges. And that's pretty much everything that I have to cover with you in this video. It was short and sweet, but I wanted to make sure that your immune system was in tip-top shape when we all start going back out into our somewhat normal routines. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. If you want more content just like this, consider subscribing, or you can check out one of the videos that will be up on the screen. You can also check us out on the Treadaway Training Blogcast. We're there every Sunday at 3 p.m. That's treadawaytraining.com/blog. As always, God bless you and your family, and we'll see you tomorrow. And also, you can let me know down in the comments if you think that I should get rid of this